Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video we get our hands dirty on the E53 X5. Mainly I'm going to show you how to change door handles. They get stuck sometimes and it's fairly easy. This is going to be a short video. I have to do this because, as you see, it's missing a seal here. I'll show you. Should look like this. There's a seal on the front, one on the rear. I have the one for the rear. It's not here, it's in the car somewhere. But this was missing, so I had to order it. Looks something like this. Part number on here. And now, of course, to install it, you have to take off this bracket. You have to take off the handle. And also, in case you have a problem, where happens also quite often, that when you pull here, show on the inside, you have a cable up there that breaks, and you have to change the lock, or at least the cable on the lock. And of course, for that, you also have to take off the handle, because there's a screw here. I'll show you. There's a screw there, and that is holding the lock. You want to take that out to loosen the screw. So let's get right into it. I'm going to catch you up on what's missing here already. First, you take a small screwdriver and take out this cap. Take out the inner one first. You can see here a little cut out for a screwdriver to go in, and then you take out the frame also to give it more space. Behind that, you go in here, and there is a screw. It's going to be a 4mm Allen. You loosen this one, you go through here, and you can loosen it. Just be very careful not to drop it. If it drops, it's going to go all the way down there, and you're going to have a hell of a time taking it out again. So once you take the screw out from here, this lock block is loose, and you literally just put it out. Just like so. You see the screws, just the lines in there, and that's what unlocks the car mechanically. You also see, next step, there's an 8mm hex. You remove that, then the door handle is loose. Now with this out of the way, you can see how this works, right? Put it out. You see this cutout here. So you just have to put it out. You need a second hand to hold it, and you just turn your door handle down like this, and it will slip out of here, and also unlocks in the front here. Just turn it down, then you can take it out. And careful here, this is metal. You don't want to do what someone did before and scratch all this. You have to keep it out here. Now just turn it down. Then you wiggle it out, just like that. And you see how this has already been abused. That's, not ideal when I change the door handle. Also, this is matte. It's a different paint. I don't know what happened here. It looks like it's been changed before based on the inside, and it's just not the right paint. So once you have it off, clean the surfaces a little bit, and I also noticed whoever tried it did cause quite some damage here. Anyway, this is the new one, the small triangular one. First of all, you drop it, and you see there are some noses and hooks to make sure you mount it in here properly. You slide it in the front, and then you clip it. You wiggle it a little bit, and then it's in. I'm gonna do this off camera with two hands, and see right now the front isn't in. And the same on the rear. This is the old one. It's a little bit not as soft as the new one. You have a partner one here, if you ever need that, if I ever need that. And the same thing, you have like noses here that hold it in place. Put it back on, and then we install the door handle. Now going to install the new used handle. Because of the paint, it's already nice black paint. Not sure. I will have to repaint the back part on a later day. And again, you pull out here first. Then you twist this in place, go in, twist it in place, and it snags, the stud snags into here. Just reverse like you took it out. Pull out here, you go behind. You have to hold this out, so it also affects the front. Then you put this in, carefully. You will feel when it's in, now you can twist it up. Now it's in. Put the 8mm back on, and then you put the lock back in. Insert your 4mm Allen from here, put the cap back on, and that is on. You take your locking cylinder, align it, just gently guide it in. That's it. Somehow this doesn't look all that white, to be honest. Maybe because they did cause some damage there. Metal in here was bent. I have no idea what someone did that before, but it was bent. I massaged it a little bit backwards and now the handle closes a little bit better. Still not completely flush, but better. And this one I may have to, I don't know, you like paint on the car, just spray over, probably easier, or just take off the cover and paint it because it looks like crap the way it is. But lastly, once the screw is in here, don't over tighten this. It's not holding the world and the car together. You just put your plastic back in. First you put your frame back in. This one of course has been badly mangled. It is what it is. On. And then your cap again has been very abused. Just put it in. That's it. Closed. Make sure it works. Take a screwdriver or something, push back here to lock it, pull it, unlock it, and that's it. So anyway, despite the problems, that's quick and easy video how you change the door handle. There's not much to it. You can do that also. You need a 8mm hex and a 4mm Allen and a small screwdriver. Doesn't need much, doesn't take long. Don't let it stop you. Thanks for watching, and I'm gonna see you in the next video.